Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one. Price action all over the place and volume, not necessarily gigantic, but still remaining very, very respectable. And from the price perspective and from the charting perspective, definitely some interesting technical events happened today. So to set the context here, the main technical event that occurred was the price broke down below 87 cents. Now, why is that significant? Well, going back through the history of the chart, you can see 87 acted as support, and then even this morning acted as support, and even the afternoon acted as support, but finally the level failed and down the price went below there. And I go through all that because there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in any sort of attempted bounce upwards, not necessarily just on Wednesday, but in the foreseeable future, that first key level of resistance that will need to be broken sits right there at 87 cents. In the event the price can push up through there, next key level after that would be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at 98 cents. But I'm probably getting a little bit too far ahead of ourselves. Let's just first see if the price can not only bounce, and then after the bounce, can it get up above the 87 cent mark? And then again, at that point, it makes a little bit more sense to put more focus on that 50-period moving average. Now, what about levels of support moving forward? Next level of support, that looks like it very well could come into play here, down here at the bottom portion of this consolidation area at the 77 cent mark. And the next key level after 77, in the event that level doesn't quite hold. Actually, I'm just going to leave it at 77 because really the price isn't even anywhere that close to it right now. So I'll just leave it at 77 cents. That way I don't end up cluttering up the chart with lines all over the place. So we'll just make that the main focal point from the support side of things. So 77 key level of support, 87 key level of resistance, followed by that 50-period moving average up there. So yeah, rough day today, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.